Hey guys, Brad Niccum, Nest Mortgage Group here. Happy Monday. I haven't done a Monday update in a little while. I've actually kind of felt like there's not been any real relevant news to put out there, but I've got a couple things I wanted to share today. I hope you all had a great weekend. Tonie and I celebrated our 34th wedding anniversary. Had a great time. And also my 35th class reunion. So it's always great getting together, seeing old friends, and having a little bit of fun. So one of the things I've been seeing a lot on appraisals lately, this is kind of crazy, even on conventional appraisals, appraisers have been calling out smoke alarms missing. The only thing we can figure is maybe their continuing ed this year had a whole section on nothing but smoke alarms, but that's one that's being called out a lot, especially if the brackets are on the wall and the smoke alarm's just missing, then it needs to be replaced. So when you list that new property, you may want to make sure that those smoke alarms are there because it is something that could come out in a conventional FHA, VA, or USDA appraisal. So a lot of news this week and last week. We learned last week that prices in August rose the largest monthly percentage in the last 15 months. However, month over month inflation was widely expected due to the surge in gasoline prices. Underlying oil prices are also pointing towards increases into September. So that bad news and inflation doesn't help anything with interest rates at all. Although we do think the Federal Reserve is going to pause this week in raising the Fed fund rate. They are going to be watching this information going into the next month. What could move interest rates this week? Well, like I said, the Federal Reserve, the Bank of England, the Bank of Japan, and the central banks of Norway, Sweden, and Switzerland are all announcing rate decisions after all of this new inflation data shows that prices are still increasing. So that could see some other countries make raises in their Fed fund rates or the equivalent to their banking rates. So all of those things could affect of course, our interest rates. This week, we also could see extra drama on the political front. Most of it being because of the battle between UAW and the Detroit automakers. The auto workers strike could force inflation to show even more growth, which of course the Fed chairman's not going to like. This week also brings the Fed meeting. It starts tomorrow, concludes on Wednesday with the statement. It is projected that they're not going to raise the federal fund rate, but you never know. And sometimes it's not what they do that affects interest rates as much as what they say in the minutes after the meeting is over and in the question and answering section. So you really have to watch that meeting and listen to how Fed Chairman Powell's reaction to the questions are, and if he's going to be super bullish on what's happening with inflation. So we will see that. They are doing some more Treasury auction coupons, which those things also affect interest rates as well. The bond it closed last week at 4.36, opened at 4.34 this morning, and has continued to go up. The 2-year is at 5%. So on the mortgage front, we're still closing loans really super quick, 24-hour underwriting, 24 hours from conditions, closing all loan types in way less than 30 days actually. So if you've got a deal that needs to go fast, just let us know. We'll pop it out real quick for you. Also, we're still having a lot of luck with appraisal waivers. So appraisal waivers are a great option when that person's putting down 20% or more. So if you want to find out how to get one of those on your listing, give me a call. And all loan types, FHA, VA, USDA, all going fast. Actually, I've noticed the VA appraisals are going a lot quicker than what they were in the past, so that's awesome. Still 1 hour pre-approval 7 days a week. So if you've got someone that needs to get pre-approved, give me a call. Thanks for sharing your time with me today. Hope you have a great week. Look forward to talking to you soon.